This is Terrence Andre Banks with Information Age Financial Solutions, coming to you with an interesting article I read from talkmarkets.com. Not a site that I visited at all, but just stumbled across it. IKEA is now selling tiny homes for broke millennials. Definitely worth my attention, so I wanted to put this out there for people to read themselves and look at your leisure. As always, I'll put a link inside the description. The virus pandemic economic hit has been particularly severe for millennials, considering many of them decide to get useless English degrees and rack up insurmountable student debt while choosing after college to become bartenders. As the story goes, in a post-pandemic world, the downturn has crushed the restaurant industry. Many youngsters are either collecting government checks or finding other jobs or attempting to retrain for a new career. As home prices soar, no thanks to the Fed Chair Powell, housing affordability has become out of reach for many. That's why IKEA, yes, the affordable furniture store that sells Swedish meatballs, is now marketing tiny homes for broke millennials. That's what caught my attention. You got a picture here of IKEA. Tiny home crazy has been gaining momentum in the last decade as wealth inequality driven mainly by the Federal Reserve, leaving most of the wealth concentrated in just a few hands, has resulted in the middle class decimation. People are downsizing left and right and opting for tiny homes, which is an interesting aspect. IKEA launched a tiny home project to capitalize on this trend. The 187 square foot structure, or what could be viewed as a trailer, but commonly known as a tiny home to hipsters, is equipped with renewable, reusable, and recycled materials for inside furnishings, solar panels on the roof, running water, kitchen, and a ductless heat pump and air conditioning unit. Under the guise of eco-conscious minimalists, millennials who gravitate towards tiny homes don't realize their living standard has collapsed. Well said here. Say goodbye to the McMansion of the late 90s and early 2000s and hello to the double-wide trailer. Unlike Assemble It Yourself furniture the Swedish company is known for, these tiny homes are pre-assembled in a factory in partnership with media firm Vox Creative and Wisconsin-based Tiny Home Escape. During the pandemic, internet searches for tiny homes have hit a 5-year high. So there's number 4 view. We've got the second page here. And they're doing, sorry, it took a little longer to put that in. It's a quick article. I guess they're doing the search here. It hit a 5-year high. Did a chart here and showed where it's at. With Amazon already selling tiny homes, how long until Walmart joins the party? Amazon's selling it too. Okay. Quick article. I found it interesting that IKEA is getting into business. Well, they sell furniture in that process, but making tiny homes available. Amazon is already selling tiny homes as well. As Walmart joined the party, disclaimer, Zero Hedge. This came from Zero Hedge. Now, I do go to Zero Hedge pretty often. Quick article. It'll give you a clickable link so you can explore at your leisure. But something to pay attention to how everything has changed dramatically. So if you're looking for a tiny home, look into it. Look for it no further. I'm not laughing because it's just amazing. You only can laugh because it's just so incredible that how many things have just changed dramatically. And tiny homes are now the rave for millennials, according to this article. I still think that eventually, if you have a family, you want something larger than a tiny home. If this video been any value to you, please subscribe, leave some comments, hit the like button. And until my next video, I'm out.